The new generation of CNC machines in the Master Series represents the best the market offers today. The extremely robust arm, hollow throughout its profile, cleverly protects the hydraulic and electrical systems inside. The central control panel with a large 10-inch color touchscreen ensures effortless machine operation using its own operating system. The new software guides the machine operator step by step by entering all the necessary data, which allows efficient control of the bandsaw within a few minutes. Laser detection of the material start precisely guides the material under the saw blade without the need for a trim cut. Full-stroke vices with clamping even behind the cut, retracting feed jaw, or short material residues are among the best we offer. The massive construction of the screw chip conveyor is ideal when cutting solid materials. The machine allows connection to remote online service support, easy integration into lines, and even remote control via mobile phone. Machine status notifications are possible either by sending SMS or visually by beacon. Become a satisfied user of this Pilus brand machine.